Good day, my people. I welcome you back to Scatter Physics, your number one solution in physics calculations. So, if you look on the board, you will see that we are into a new topic. We just finished velocity, the question in velocity, and we are into what? Acceleration. Yes, and this is our number one question. And it says, a particle accelerates uniformly from rest at 6.0 ms, that's meter per second what? Square, for 8 seconds, and then decelerate uniformly to rest in the next 5 seconds. Determine the magnitude of the what? Deceleration. So, first of all, we state the formula solution. We have this formula which says V equals to what? U plus AT, where V is what? The final velocity. Then U is what? Initial velocity. A is acceleration. T is time. Then let's look at the question that we have. A particle accelerates uniformly from rest. So we have that accelerate, A, which is acceleration, is equals to what? They accelerate from what? At the 6.0 meter per second square. And for what? For 8 seconds. So time follows. So let's go over here. You have T, which is our time, which is what? 8 seconds. And then decelerate to rest in the next what? 5 seconds. So first of all, we're going to use this value to get what? The acceleration before we go to what? Deceleration. So let's apply this value that we listed here to this formula. And we say that V, we have that our U is 0, which is our initial velocity. So what we are looking for is what? V. So we are looking for final velocity. V equals to, our U is what? 0 plus, and our A is 6. Then times, okay, plus 6 times what? Our T is what? 8. So we have that V equals to 0 plus, then 6 times 8, we have 48. So V equals to 0 plus 48 is 48. This is initial velocity. Then now we look for what? Deceleration. And we have the time for deceleration. T equals to what? 5 seconds. We have initial equals to what? 48 meter per second. Then with this formula now, with this what we listed, we apply to this formula. V equals to U plus AT. We have that V, which is final, is equals to what? 0. So we have 0 equals to U is 48 plus A times our time is what? 5. So we have 0 equals to 48 plus A times 5 is 5A. Then now we apply. This comes over. We have that 0 minus, okay, we have that minus 5A is equals to what? 48 minus 0. So minus 5A. 48 minus 0 is what? 48. We have that A equals to 48 divided by minus 5. Deceleration is equals to what? Minus 9.6 meter per second square. So our deceleration equals to 9.6 meter per second square. Yes, I know that some people will be wondering, there is no minus here. Yes, and there is minus here. They are all the same thing. The reason why the reason why I leave this minus that is here is because if you look, This minus is to determine that it's not accelerating, it's decelerating, because once it's accelerating, it's a positive, but once it's decelerating, it's a minus. So we still just to identify that is what is, that's why I wrote deceleration, which I've covered what the minus equals to what 9.6. So anybody that sees this thing, you know that deceleration, which is subtraction. So this is where we are going to stop for today. So please do well to subscribe and like our social media and both Facebook, YouTube, TikTok at Scatter Physics 1. Invite your friends. Thank you for watching. See you